Alright everybody, welcome back to another video, and today's video we are gonna go ahead and figure out how to know whether your iPhone has the original battery or not. When it comes to have a second-hand device, you probably are looking for a way to know whether your device is having the original battery itself or not. Well, let me just go ahead and quickly show you an easy way to figure it out. Now to do it, the first things you have to do is just simply head over to your settings, okay? Now simply scroll down to your battery. Now tap your battery to open it. Now, as I can tell you guys, we have never been changed or replaced our battery from this device. Now, as soon as you get to open this option or this battery section, now what's gonna happen, you're gonna get a pop-up message just like this. Now as you guys can see the screen right here, now this is gonna tell you this message which it says unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple's battery and health information not available for this battery, which means that the battery have been replaced, and this is what you need to know. Okay, now Apple actually tells to every users whenever they replace their battery, they give this type of image. Well, this is an easy way to know. Okay, so if you see it is giving all of this information just like this, that means you have not, the iPhone you're trying to buy have not changed the battery so far. Okay, so this is what you can do, and I just want to give you the quick bonus tips, guys. Now in terms of just having a second-hand device, if your battery health is less than 80%, I would recommend you don't buy this device, because 80%, less than 80% of the battery health can have the less amount of time when it comes to use your iPhone. Alright guys, so this is how you can figure out whether the battery is original for the device that you're trying to buy or not. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for your Apple devices. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again.